Yo guys, it's Juice. Thanks for tuning in to Multilingual Monday. This has been another bust of a week. I guess putting some Spanish to use. Esta semana no he hecho una mierda para estudiar español. I haven't done jack shit. Um, haven't worked on any vocab, haven't worked on any grammar, haven't practiced with anyone. It's basically just been a garbage thrown in the trash week. So apologies to y'all, but primarily myself, right? I really let myself down here. This week is me kind of getting back on track. So I think a lot of the sentiment that will probably be reflected in most of the videos that I put out this week is going to be something along the lines of I have lost momentum and I'm just trying to restore it, get things back up. So I'm trying to give myself a little bit of grace and be more on top of things, more proactive, and not get pissed off just because I missed the mark a couple of times, right? Persistence is key. I'm never going to stop trying. I'm not going to stop trying until I succeed. So yeah, that's that's it for Multilingual Monday. Be sure to tune in next Monday, where I'll be able to showcase some actual progress in Spanish. That aside, thank you for tuning in. Let me know thoughts in the comments. Stay juicy.